E-Power Technology is a Hong Kong-owned and operated contract manufacturer for companies of all sizes, from startups to SMEs to global brands. Our state-of-the-art 4,500 square meter ISO 9001 and 14001 R&D facility, located in southern China, Dongguan, houses 30 engineers, 35 QC, and 150 assembly workers for early-stage projects. Focusing on product commercialization, our facility acts as an innovation house, preparing design for manufacturing and assembly (DFMA) to ensure your product is optimized for large-scale manufacturing, and assessing whether your design is market-validated and production-ready. In addition, offering manufacturing and final assembly for small production runs to test your market. All incoming raw materials and components are received and inspected, ensuring they match requirements via our on-site testing equipment, which includes measurement, hardness, humidity and UV-accelerated temperature control, button and friction, salt and spray testing, and much more. Our prototype shop tests your design speculations to assess your idea's feasibility for small production runs to patch foreseeable issues before mass productions. Working with us grants you access to our network of 150 pre-approved vendors regularly evaluated for price, quality, lead time, communication, and support. Whether you have a new development project or a product in years in production, our project managers act as your bridge with our teams and suppliers. From a humble assembly line in 2012, the size of a 2-car garage, E-Power has expanded its in-house fabrication capabilities and features an over 18,000 square meter, 7-story facility with ISO 9001 and 14001 located in Shantou, which includes 25 CNC machines, 19 metal fabrication machines, and 20 adaptable assembly lines. Here, our machining shop relies on our import-branded CNC machines, EDM, lathe, turning, grinding, stamping, and drilling machines to minimize production time and ensure the tightest tolerances possible. Also supporting secondary processes such as anodizing, powder coating, laser etching, cut and sewing, pad printing, and more with the help of our close network of partners. E-Power supports your products to the highest quality standards and works as an extension of your team, helping you with technical advice and industry expertise. Contact us today to discuss your needs and plan for the success.